Right, this one, if I can write there, is called Best Buys. This is quite a long one as well. Find the price of each item in these cases. 10 biscuits for £9. So we're going to do £9 divided by 10, which is 90p. 6 packets of crisps for 360, so we want 360 divided by 6, which equals 60p. 18 pounds divided by 24. Okay, I'm going to have to get the calculator for that one. 18 divided by 24 is 0.75, so it's 75p. £4 divided by 200 cotton buds, so 4 divided by 200 is 0.02, so this is 2p. 5 muffins, £2.50 divided by 5, I can see that's going to be 50p. £3.30 divided by 22, right, £3.30 divided by 22 is going to be equal to 15p. £2.10 divided by 14, so 2.10 divided by 14 is 3/20, which is 15 pence. Come. 4 beef burgers for £2. £2 divided by 4 is 50p. £1.50 divided by 6. Remember, the answers are always in pounds if you do the calculations in pounds, but I'm just multiplying my answer by 100 to get pence. So £1.50 divided by 6, which equals a quarter, which is 0.25. Multiply that by 100 and I got 25 pence. All the bananas in the world divided by 8. So £2.24 divided by 8 equals 0.28, which is 28 pence. Clara is in the supermarket and passes a number of multi-pack items. Can you help her work out the cost of an item? 6 plums, which are priced at £2.40. So it's the same thing, isn't it? £2.40 divided by 6. Cost per item. Okay, so £2.40 divided by 6 is 4, which is 40 pence. 360 divided by 4, 3.6 divided by 4 equals 90 pence. £2.80 divided by 4, brioche buns, that's a bit posh, isn't it? £2.80 divided by 4 is 70 pence. And 256 divided by 16, 2.56 divided by 16 equals 16 pence. Okay, next one. Find the price per 100 grams or 100 mils of one slice of these products. So 500 mints for £3. So we need to divide by 5. Okay, so £3 divided by 5. So 3 divided by 5 is 0.6, so that's 60 pence. Right, so it's going to be more complicated now. We need to find 100 grams. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do 240 divided by 120 and then times it by 100, because that will find out how much a gram is, and then I multiply by 100 and I get 100 grams. Okay, so 2.4 divided by 120 times 100 is 2p. That's wrong. £2, isn't it? 2p, what am I talking about? £2. Okay, so £6 divided by 3,000 times 100. So 6 divided by 3,000 times 100 is 0.2, which is 20 pence. So 0.35 divided, 50. I just multiply that by 2 equals 70 pence. 0.45 divided by 150 times 100. So 0.45 divided by 150 times 100 is 0.3, which is 30 pence. £12 divided by 1500 times 100. 12 divided by 1500 times 100 is 80 pence. £2.10 divided by 14, I've done this before, times 100. Or one slice. Oh. Hang on. Catch me out there. Catch me out. Just got to divide that by 14. Let's read the questions carefully. £2.10 divided by 14 is 15 pence. £7 divided by 5,000 grams times 100. So 7 divided by 5,000 times 100 is 0.14, so that's 14 pence. £3 divided by 600 times 100. 3 divided by 600 times 100 equals 5.5, 50p. £1.50 divided by 1500 times 100. So £1.50 divided by 1500 times 100 equals 1/10 of a pound, which is 10p. A number of supermarkets compete with each other over multi-pack deals. Work out the cost per packet. £4.80 divided by 12. 4.8 divided by 12 is 0.4, which is 40p. £3 divided by 6. 3 divided by 6 equals 5.5, which is 50p. £9 divided by 36. 9 divided by 36 equals a quarter, which is 0.25 with 25p. And £7.20 divided by 24. £7.20 divided by 24 equals 30p. So you're going to have to pause these, have a go. Thousands of these questions. Amjad is buying drinks for a party. He notices deals on several drinks he wants to buy. Which is the best deal? So I'm going to do here, fine for 1 litre. How much does it cost for a litre? So I'm going to do 4.5 divided by 3, which is £1.50. Then I'm going to do 2.25 divided by 1.5. 2.25 divided by 1.5 equals £1.50. Third one, £2.40 divided by 2, which is £1.20. And the fifth one is 231 divided by 1.75 litres. 2.31 divided by 1.75 litres is £1.32. £1.32. So the best one is this one. Now, same. I'm going to find out the price per 100 mils, per mil. What should I do? Yeah, per milliliter. I just divide that by 250. It's not going to be very much, is it? But anyway, so I'm going to change that all to pence. So 50 divided by 250. So 50 divided by 250 is 0.2. 0.2. 0.2. 75 divided by 500. 75 divided by 500 is 0.15. 0.15. Third one, 66 divided by 330. 66 divided by 30 is 0.2. 0.2. And the fourth one is 105 divided by 750. 105 divided by 750 is 0.14. 0.14. So all these answers are in pennies per milliliter. So the cheapest is that last one there, 0.14. Cherryade. Now, that is £1 a litre. So I'm going to change that to pence. Change it to pence as well. So that's 100 pence. This one, I'm going to go 125 divided by 1.25. 125 divided by 1.25 equals 100. Third one, 150 divided by 2, that's 75 pence. And this one, 200 divided by 2.5, 200 divided by 2.5 is 80 pence a litre. So the best one is this third one there. That's 75p. Right, let's come down. Whew. So that one's 100 pence a litre. This one, 150 divided by 2. 150 divided by 2 equals 75p. And this one is 200 divided by 4, which equals 50p. So the best one is that one. Right, so 100 grams. So 500 divided by 100 is 5p a gram. So this one we've got, I'm right underneath that, 900 divided by 200, which is 4.5. And this one, 2300 divided by 500. 2300 divided by 500. Whoops, too many. 2300 divided by 500 is 4.6. 4.6 pence for a gram. So the cheapest one is this one. Yeah. Okay, so 100 mils for this one costs 50p. This one, 200 divided by 500 is point. Oh no, no. 50 divided by 100 equals 0.5. This one is 0.4, and this one is 500 divided by 1000 is 0.5. So the best one is this one. Right. Let's all make it 200. So let's do it another way. So I'm going to multiply this one by 4. So that's £1.40. So that would be £1.40 for 200 grams. Multiply this one by 2, which will be £1.40. And this one's £1.30. So that's the best one there. 1 for 2, so 79 ago. So 138 divided by 2. £1.38 divided by 2 is 69 pence. So that equals 69 pence. And this one's £1.77 divided by 3. £1.77 divided by 3 is 59 pence. 59 pence. So we've got 79, 69, 59. That's the best one. Right. 1,000 litres for 1,500, 2,000, 3,000. Right. So let's multiply. So I'm going to multiply everything till I get 3,000. So 3 times 1,500 equals 4,500. Oh, I'm going to do 1.5 times 2,000, which is 3,000, and that is 3,300. So the best one is this. 10 slices for £200. So let's find out how much a slice. So 200 pence divided by 10 equals 20 pence a slice. 210 divided by 14 equals, what's that? 210 divided by 14 equals 15 pence a slice. And 256 divided by 16, 256 divided by 16 is 16 pence a slice. So the best one is this one, because it's right. 500, 2,000, 5,000. Okay, 70 pence divided by 500. 70 divided by 500 is 0.14 equals 0.14. 250 divided by 2,000. 250 divided by 2,000 is 0.125. 0.125. So that's a bit cheaper per gram. And this is 700 pence divided by 5,000. 700 pence divided by 5,000 is 0.14 pence per gram. So which is the cheapest? This one, this middle one. Right, let's come down a bit. So many questions here. So divide by 4, divide by 5, divide by 6. So 376 divided by 4 is 94. 475 divided by 5 is 95. And 576 divided by 6 is 96. So this one. Oh no, sorry, this one. Alright. That. Okay, let's find out how much a meal. 82 pence divided by 568. 82 divided by 568 is 0.14 equals 0.14 pence a meal. 130 divided by 1136. 130 divided by 1136 is 0.11, 0.11, and 200 divided by 2272, 200 divided by 2272 is 0.09, 0.09. So that's the cheapest. Right, these are getting difficult, yeah? Okay. Sugar comes in bags of various sizing. 0.5 for that, 0.5 for that. Find the price of sugar per 100 grams for each bag. So these are the 3 different bags, are they? Yeah. Right, so the first one is going to be 100 pence. What should I do? 500 divided by 500 times 100. 100 divided by 500 times 100. So that's 20p. So that's 20p. The second one is going to be 190 divided by 1000 times 100. So 190 divided by 1000 times 100, 19p. And the third one is 360 divided by 2000 times 100. So 360 divided by 2000 times 100 equals 18 pence. Okay, which is the best buy? The third one, third bag, the 2 kilo. What's the cheapest way to buy 2.5 kilograms of sugar? Cheapest way is a 2 kilogram plus 2 kilo plus a 0.5 kilo, which is 360 plus £1, which equals £4.60. Eliza is going to bake a cake. The cake requires 0.75 kilograms of sugar for a 2 kilogram cake. She wants to make a 4 kilogram cake. How much sugar is it? Well, she needs twice as much sugar, doesn't she? So 0.75 times 2, which equals, that's 1.5, isn't it? Yeah? 0.75 times 2, which equals 1.5 kilograms of sugar. What's the cheapest way to buy her sugar? How much will it cost? So she's going to buy a 0.5 kilogram bag plus a 1 kilogram bag, which is £1 plus £1.90, which equals £2.90. Find the cheapest way to buy the amount specified from the offers below. 1 litre for £1, 2 litres for £1.50, 3 litres for £2. Buy 5 litres. Buy 5 litres. So that's a pound a litre. Yeah, 2 litres for £1.50. So this is 75p a litre. Divide that by 3, which is 3. So this one is 70p a litre. So the best way to buy this is 2 times 3 litre, 1 times 2 litre. So 3 litres for £2.10, which is £4.20, and £1.50, which is £5.70. Right, gotta buy 700 grams. So that is 50p per 100 gram. This is 45p per 100 gram. And this is 50p per 100 gram. You've got to buy 700 grams. This is the cheapest way. So we're going to buy 3 of these. So you're going to buy 3 times 90 pence. There are 3 is £2.70, which is this one, yeah. And then you're going to buy one of those, 1 times 50p. Which is £3.20. Right, you're going to buy 1500 mils. So that is £5 per 100 mil. Divide that by 4, so that's £3 per 100 mil. And divide that by 7, so 15.40 divided by 7. And this one is £2.20 per 100 mil. Right, so the cheapest one is this. So we're going to buy 2 of these and 1 of those. So 2 of those is £30.80, and 1 of these is another £5. So that will be £35.80. Right, per 500 grams. So that's 75p per 500. This is half of 17 is 58, 80, 85p per 500, and a third of that is 70p per 500. 70p. So you got to buy 2,000. So the cheapest is this, but we can only buy one of those. Yeah. So we're going to buy 1 times £2.10. We've got another 500 to go. So we don't want to buy this one, yeah? And 1 times 75p, which makes a total of £2.85. Whoa, £2.85. Right. So this is 29 pence each. This is half of that is £24 each, and a third of that is 19 pence each. And you want to buy 7, so you're going to buy 2 times the 57 pence plus 1 more, 1 times 29 pence, and 2 times 57 is £1.14, and 29p is 341. Oh my goodness gracious. So we're going to buy 900. So let's say, so that's £15,000. £15,000 per 100. So this is half of that. So this is £10,000 per 100, and a third of that is £11,000 per 100. So you want to buy 900. 10,000. This is cheapest, isn't it? So let's buy 4 of those. 4 times 20,000, which is 80,000, and then we need 1 more. So we need a 1 times. Oh, or is it? Oh, okay. All right. Don't worry. 1 times. We'll see that 0.00059. Right. What if we do it the other way? Buy 3 of those. That will be 99. Yeah, that's still too expensive, so that's the right way. Okay, let's do some slices of cake. One slice for 30p, so that's 30p a slice. 14 slices for that much, so 406 divided by 14. So these are 29p a slice. 520 divided by 26. 520 divided by 26. Yeah, these are 20p a slice. So, well, these are much cheaper. So we want to buy 31 slices. So we're going to buy 26. Yeah, and we need another 15 times that. 15. Oh, right, okay. So we're going to buy 1 times the £5.20. That gives us 26 slices. That's that 40. 40. I think I'm going to buy another 5 of these. 5 times 30 pence, which is £1.50. And I'm going to call it £6.70 altogether. Right, so for 500 grams costs 70p. 2,250. So 250 divided by 4 is 62. This middle one is 62.5p, and divide that by 10. Divide that by 10, so that's 70p. So we want to buy 7,500 grams. This is cheap, isn't it? So I'm going to buy 3 times £2.50, which equals £7.50. Yeah. So that gives me 6. Now I want another 1,500, so I'm going to buy 3 of these. 3 times 70p, which is £2.10, which is 60, £9.60. Right, here we go. We're going to buy 72. So let's 3760. So let's find out how much they are. 3760 divided by 8 is 470 pence each. And that 4,750 divided by 10, it's 475 pence each. And this one, 5,760 divided by 12 is 480 pence each. So these are the cheapest, yeah? Yeah, so forget them. We'll just buy these. So how many do we need to buy? 72 divided by 8. 72 divided by 8 equals 9. So we need 9 times £4.70. 9 times 4.70 is £42. £42.30. Right, look at this awkward number. So let's find out how much a mil this is. So we're going to go 100 divided by 568. So 100 divided by 568, it is, I call it 0.17. 0.17 pence a mil. 190 divided by 1136 is 0.17. 0.17. And 370 divided by 2272 is 0.16. 0.16. So that's the cheapest, isn't it? 2272. 3, 3. So we're going to buy 1 times the £3.70. Okay, now let's see how much we got left over. 3408, take away 2272, 63131. So I've got 1136 left over, which is exactly this one, isn't it? Yeah, and 1 times £1.90, which is not 6, 3, 4, 5, £5.60 is the cheapest way. A shop sells sponges in 3 different packages. Package A contains 5, 20. Find the cost per sponge of each pack. So 250 pence divided by 5 is 50 pence. So that one's 50p. 800 divided by 20 is 40 pence. So that one's 40 pence. And 90 divided by 2, which equals 45 pence. Okay, which is the best buy? The best buy is the 40 pence one, which is pack B. There's now a special offer on A, reducing its cost to 150. How much is package A per sponge now? So it's 150, so it's 150 divided by 5, which has now come down to 30 pence. Is package A now the best buy? Yes. Find the best buys out of A, B and C with the special offer applied. Right, package A is placed on 50%. Right, so 50 litres for £20, 35 for 10. Okay, so that's 50% discount, which means we've got 50 litres for £10. Okay, so £10 divided by 50. £10 divided by 50 is 0.2, so that's 20p a litre for A. B is £10.50 divided by 35. So £10.50 divided by 35 is 30 pence. And C is £8 divided by 25. 8 divided by 25 is 32 pence. Right, so package B is on 30% discount. Okay, so 30%. So 30% times £3. So 30 divided by 100 times 3 is 0.9. So that's 0.9. So £3 minus 0.9 pounds, 90 pence is £2.10. So that was package B. So now we've got to go through the, let's find out how much it is. So package A, so A is 100 divided by 100, which equals 1 penny. Package B is 210 divided by 200, £1.05 pennies, and package C is 440 divided by 400, is 1.1 penny. So which is the best one? The 1 penny, 1 penny. Package A. A is the best one there. Okay, so we've got 25% discount on B. 25% of that is a quarter off, so that's £15. Okay, so A is 800 divided by 80, which is 10, isn't it? 10p each. Package B is 1500 divided by 120. 1500 divided by 120 is 12.5p. And package C is 600 divided by 40. 600 divided by 40 is 15p. So the best one there is A. Right, 40% discount on C. So 40% times 12. 40 divided by 100 times 12 is 4.8. £4.80. So 12 take away £4.80. 12 take away the answer is £7.20. £7.20. Oh, right. Okay, so A is 500 divided by 4, which is 125. B is 250 divided by 2, which is 125. And C is 720 divided by 6, which is 120. So the cheapest one there is C. Okay, let's do a couple more of these. We've got hundreds of these. Package A is 50% discount. So £1.70 divided by 2, because it's half of it, yeah, it's 85 pence. So this is now 85 pence. So 85 divided by 5, no, I can already do that, yeah. So this is going to be 85 pence. 85 pence for package A per 500, yeah. Divide that by 2, so that's going to be £1.20 per 500, and C is going to divide that by 4, £3.10 divided by 4 is going to be 77.5, 77.5 per 500. So C is way cheaper. This one, package B, is on a 10% discount. 10% of that is 80p. So take that away, it gives you £7.20. So we're going to do it per 250, yeah? So 300 divided by 2, yeah, we'll make it 250, is £1.50 per 250 mils. This one, £7.20 divided by 4, £7.20 divided by 4 is £1.80 per 250 mil. And C is £6 divided by 3, which is £2. £2 per, well, £1.80. £1.80. Forgot the dot there. And this is £2 for 500 mil. For 250 mil. 250. 250 mil. So this is the cheapest one, is A. Wow, these go on and on and on and on and on. Right, let's have a look at there. The following lists the price structure for 3 taxi companies. Harrogate taxis, £2.20. Station cars, flat rate, £3 for the first mile, 1 for the Speedway taxi. How much would it cost to travel 1 mile with each taxi? So Harrogate is just going to be £2.20. Station £1.80 plus £3. £1.80 plus £3, which equals £4.80. And Speedway is £2 plus 180. £2 plus 180, which is £3.80. Norbert travels 5 miles using stations. How much does this cost? So it's £1.80 plus £3 for the first mile plus 4 times 160 for the subsequent miles. Okay, so I'm going to go backwards. I'm going to do 4 times £1.60, which equals £6.40, plus £3 plus £1.80, which is £11.20. Could Norbert have saved money by using Harrogate taxis? Okay, same distance, 5 miles, 2.20 a mile, 2.20 times 5. So 2.2 times 5 is £11. Yes, 20p. Which would be the best for a 3-mile journey? Alright, so Harrogate is going to be 3 times 2.2, which is £6.60. Station is £1.80 plus £3 plus 2 extra miles times £1.60. So that's £3.20 plus 3 plus £1.80 is £8. And we've got to do the other one, haven't we? Speedway. So Speedway for a 3-mile journey is 2 plus 3 times £1.80. So £1.80 times 3 equals that, plus the £2 equals £7.40. Which taxi is the best one? The best one is Harrogate. Would the same taxi company be the best for a 3-mile journey and a 20-mile journey? So now we've got to do a 20-mile journey. Harrogate, 20 times 2.20. 20 times 2.20 is £44. Station, £1.80 plus £3 plus £1.60 for the 19 extra miles. Okay, £1.60 times 19 is that, plus 3 plus £1.80 is that, which is £35.20. £35.20. And the other one, Speedway, they've got a £2 flat rate plus 20 miles worth of £1.80. So 20 times £1.80 equals 36, plus 2 equals 38. So for the 3-mile journey, Harrogate was the best. For the 20-mile journey, Station is the best. No. No. Last question. Oh goodness. Patricia is purchasing chairs and organising their delivery to a logistics company. Her options to buy chairs are all these. Special offer, reduce the price of Group C by 10 chairs. What's the cheapest option to buy the chairs and the delivery? So we got to work it all out, yeah? A. Oh, How many chairs does she want to buy? 1,700 chairs. So let's find out how much is a chair. Yeah. So we've got £5,000 divided by 100, which is £50 a chair, and B, 16,000 divided by 400, which is 160 divided by 4, which is £40 a chair. And option C is £60,000. Blimey, what are these chairs made of? Divided by 1,000, so £60 a chair. Right, so we've got three sorts of chairs there, yeah? So the cheapest way reduces the price of, oh no. No, C is 10% less. So take 10% of that is 6. So that's now £54. Yeah. So right, what's the cheapest option for both chairs and delivery? Now the cheapest way to get chairs is, how many do you want? 1,700 chairs. I think chairs B is better, even though that's like chairs B. So we can get 400 chairs. So we need option B is 4 times 400 chairs, which is 1,600 chairs times £40. So 1,600 times £40 is £64,000 for all those chairs. But we still need another 100 chairs. So we've got to tap on at, so we need, which is £5,000. So 100 chairs times, chairs are 50 quid, aren't they? Yeah, which is £500. No, £500. I've gone wrong. Let's do that again. Let's do that again. Right. So we want 100 chairs. So we've got 1 times 100 chairs, which equals 100 chairs. And the chairs are £50 each, which makes £5,000. So £69,000 is the cheapest price for the chairs. Now, 60 miles away. Her options are £1 a chair, so option A is she's buying 1,700, so 1 times 1,700 equals £1,700 with option A to get all the chairs. Option B, flat rate of 200, then 80p a chair. So it's 200 plus 0.80 times 1,700 chairs. So 1,700 times 0.8 equals plus £200 equals 1,560. That's a bit cheaper than the other one. Option C, a flat rate of 150 plus a penny per chair per mile. So 1 penny times 1,700 chairs times 60 miles. Okay. I'm going to do that in pounds. 0.01. So 0.01 times 1700 times 60 equals, and then add on 150 equals, this is 1170. So what do we need? What's the cheapest option? So cheapest is a combination A and B for chairs and C for delivery. Actually, that should be, get this right. After all, oh, yeah, A and B for chairs and a little c for delivery. I think that was the end of that. Whoa, that was a long, 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 long one on Best Buys. All right, see you in the next.